Keeping your brand-compliant content up to date across multiple applications can be a complex and time-consuming process, especially when each app requires different procedures. Our research shows that when content updates are delayed, users lose confidence and may revert to outdated versions or create their own, risking inconsistencies. That's why we created the Content Chooser, enabling you to update and distribute content across all applications from a single location, ensuring the latest version is instantly available throughout your organization. With the Office at Work Content Chooser, you can manage contents within your Microsoft 365 tenant using SharePoint document libraries. To upload new content, simply drag and drop files into the library. Need version control? Enable SharePoint's versioning feature to roll back to previous versions instantly. To prevent multiple people from editing the same content at once, activate the check-in and check-out function, ensuring only one person edits content at a time. For access control, leverage SharePoint's role-based permissions to manage who can upload or use content. Want to automatically notify users of updates or trigger workflows? SharePoint's Flow integration can automate actions based on content updates. If you'd like to test changes with a smaller group first, use additional content libraries to set up a staging process that suits your organization. For multilingual needs, translate content titles in language-specific columns, or use a SharePoint flow to automate translations based on users' preferred languages in Microsoft 365. Even if you're not responsible for all the content in your organization, the Office at Work Admin Center allows you to create as many content libraries as needed. Different departments or teams can have their own libraries with their own management rules. This ensures that users always have access to the latest content, even if the responsibility for maintaining the contents is shared across your organization. Larger organizations often prefer SharePoint-based content libraries, managed through the Admin Center, while smaller organizations may opt for Teams-based libraries, which can be created directly within the Content Chooser app. This feature is limited to Teams owners, providing control over the content library creation process. In enterprise organizations where managing a central SharePoint library can be challenging, Teams-based content libraries may also be a better fit. Check out our Admin Center videos for more details on managing libraries and setting up library sources. In addition, organizations can also choose to enable or disable the free image bank libraries of Unsplash and Pixabay based on their needs. If you have branded content in Frontify, you can connect directly to it, making all your branded assets easily accessible within Microsoft 365. If you're curious about which content is being used by users, we recommend setting up the Content Chooser's Analytics feature. It tracks every content used and reports it to a Power BI data pod of your choice. You can find detailed instructions on configuring analytics in the Admin Center. With centralized management and seamless integrations across your favorite apps, the Content Chooser allows you to update content once and make it available across all applications and users. If you want to simplify your content management, boost content usage, and drive better business outcomes, the Content Chooser is the app you need.